Exercise 16A, Section 1. In the following events, match correctly to indicate whether the outcomes are possible, certain, or impossible. So 8 questions are given, and each of this question we need to find out the given event is possible, impossible, or it is certain to happen. So first question is already worked out. Let's go through that. You will throw a 7 with a normal die. We know that in a die always it is numbered from 1 to 6. And when I throw it to get the number 7, it is impossible because the maximum number I could get while rolling a die is 6 and the minimum number is 1. So I will never get a number apart from 1 to 6. That is a impossible event. So it is marked option B. Second question. Your friend will call you tonight. We know that friends are almost likely to be in contact every single day. So it is a possible event. But you cannot be sure that your friend will call you tonight because if he gets busy or if he gets engaged in some other ways, there are chances he might not call. But there are chances because friends used to be in touch every now and then. So it is a possible event but not a certain event. We can mark option A here. Third question. A cat will give birth to puppies next year. We know that it is an impossible event because cat can only give birth to kittens, not puppies. Dogs can give birth to puppies while not kittens. And for that matter, any organism, being plants or animals, they can only give birth to similar organisms, that is similar ones of the same kind. It is an impossible event. So we can mark B here. Fourth question. Thursday will be the day after Wednesday next week. We know that every week Thursday comes after Wednesday. So be it next week or the previous week or next week of the next year, always Thursdays come after Wednesdays. It is a certain event. That is C. Question number 5. You will have cornflakes, samosas and toast in your breakfast today. On the menu we have 3 items, that is cornflakes, samosas and toast. So that statement completely depends on our cook. If he or she decides to prepare these 3 things, it is kind of possible. So it is not a certain event or it is not an impossible event. It is possible event. So let us write A. Sixth question. It will be winter in Australia when it is summer in India. Here 2 countries are given, that is one is India and other is Australia. We know that India comes under the northern hemisphere while Australia is situated in southern hemisphere. Earth is round in shape and we have sun here. Now if one part of Earth is facing sun, this region will have summer. While the opposite part, that is southern hemisphere at the same end, will experience what? This region will have winter because this region is much farther away from the sun. If India has summer, it is sure that Australia is having winter season because India is located in northern hemisphere while Australia is located in southern hemisphere. So it is also a certain event. We can write C here. Now 7th one. You will be able to see a live dinosaur in the city zoo. Here also we know that dinosaurs have been extinct millions of years ago. It is impossible to see a live dinosaur in the city zoo. But there are chances that we could see fossils or 3D models of dinosaurs, but certainly we will not be able to see a live dinosaur. That is an impossible event. Now last 8th question. You will be awarded a prize for your good performance. Mostly when people do a good performance, they are appreciated. So it is likely that you will be awarded. It is a possible event but it is not a certain event. So that is the end of section number 1. Let us move to section number 2. Section number 2. Categorize each outcome as likely or unlikely. Here also some statements are given. We need to classify whether these statements are likely to happen or unlikely to happen. First question. You will not get reservation in the train due to heavy Dussehra rush. during the times of Dussehra or any other festive seasons, people would rush out to travel around. So during that time, it is likely that we will not get any reservation. It is a likely event. We can mark A here. Second question. Your friend will go to moon next month. See, as of 2020, only 12 people in the entire humankind have been to moon. So it is very unlikely that our friend will be the 13th one to go to moon. So it is also an unlikely event. We can write B here. Third question. That is already worked out. Someone in your class will be absent next week. We know that every day one of the other students have chances to not show up in the school because personal reasons, health issues, it can be anything. So it is a likely event. Question number 4. It will snow in Mussoorie in January. Mussoorie is a very famous hill station in Dehradun, that is in Uttarakhand. It is also famous for its snowfall. Normally the snowfall will reach its peak in the time December to January because that is the winter season. It is a likely event. Fifth question. There will be floods in Delhi in March next year. Delhi doesn't have any coastal regions near it, so it is very unlikely event to happen. We can write B here. Sixth question. You will become an army officer when you grow up. If you are interested in army, it may happen. So it is a likely event. We can write A here.